Welcome to another alteration and addition project by DP Design Studio. The Sydney office was engaged to convert this 104-year-old home in the heritage and conservation area of the Ryde Council into a modern family home. And this is the outstanding result. The biggest achievement was to transform the original layout into vast open plan living, representing that coveted spacious open plan design. This project reflects beautiful finishing touches with brand new flooring, lighting, ducted air conditioning and painting inside and out, transforming this 1920s build into a spacious, vibrant and cosy family haven. The outdated ensuite bathroom was also beautifully reimagined and is now a luxury bathroom with stunning fixtures and fitting. DP Design Studio upholds its 5-star rating with a design ethos to create sustainable living spaces that exceed clients' expectations within their budget. For more information, get in touch today for your very own practical, luxurious but affordable solution.